Welcome back to my channel. Today let us discuss a problem in trigonometry which is useful for 10th class students. You cannot find this in your textbook, but this this type of question they may ask in board examination. So let us discuss this problem. So I am starting it. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. So let us start our problem. First, LHS given one. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta it is given for us. 1 plus tan square theta of plus 1 plus 1 by tan square. 1 by tan square theta. Now here 1 by tan square theta means it is cot square theta. You can write that one as cot square theta. So if you write it in that way, what will it become? 1 plus cot square theta, sorry, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square. 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus tan square theta of plus 1 plus cot square theta it will become. Now this one, according to identity number 2, this one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So according to that, if you want secant square theta, then transmit this tan square to this side. As it is minus here, it will become plus, then it will become 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta it will become now. So now, according to identity number 3, 1 plus cot square theta means cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cot square theta is equal to 1. So according to that, cosecant square theta means transmit this cot square to this side. So then it will become cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square. Okay. Now here here it is this side secant square theta into here plus it is there, here cosecant square theta. Now here this one, secant square theta, I am writing this one as 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta plus this one I am writing 1 by sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. Okay, now take LCM here. Cos square theta into sin square theta. Cos square theta into sin square theta, you take it as LCM, and in numerator side we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, then it will become 1 by cos square theta, 1 minute, 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Yeah, not a problem. Sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta, we will get 1 only. Cos square theta, sin square theta down. So like this we got the denominator 1. So what he is asking us to prove, so LHS is must be equal to this one. He is asking what is that one, 1 by sin square theta into sin power 4 theta. Now in this case, I am taking in RHS side sine square as common. Sine square I am taking common. So then what will it become? 1 by sine square theta, 1 by sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta it will become. So according to identity number 1, sine square theta plus 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 means, so according to that cos square theta means you transmit this one to this side, so then it will become cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, now according to that I am changing that one, so then what will it become? Sine square theta into cos square theta, sine square theta into cos square theta it will become. So in LHS side also we got this one only, so therefore LHS equal to RHS, LHS is equal to RHS, that means 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 by cot square theta, 1 by cot square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta into sin power 4 theta. So this one we proved, but a small change what is here is, so it is difficult to prove, so that's why I took in LHS side till where I got 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta I got. So after that I took common and like that sin square theta in that one, so I got here 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta, so both are same. So in this way I proved this problem. So this is the easy method for this problem. So 1 plus 1 by tan square means you try to write it as 1 plus cot square, don't take LCM like that. You can take even LCM tan square theta there, and then it will become numerator 1 tan square theta plus 1 and here 1 plus tan square theta. So than that according to me doing like this is somewhat easy for you. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do share and subscribe to my channel.